The two main uses of period locking are to set cutoff dates for making changes to data in PMI and to open or edit a locked period. Let's quickly go through how to complete these two tasks. First, set cutoff dates. This is done at chain level, usually for a full year ahead. Access the page via Advanced Settings. Select the dataset you want to update and the year you want to view. To edit the lock dates, use the pen icon. This chain has a standard that by the 25th of a month, the forecast for next month should be locked. So to set that, I choose the month, update the lock date, and press save and continue. Now choose the next month and continue for the full year. Once done, press save. And then if a specific property needs to make edits in a locked period, use the create an exception function. In this example, many staff were on vacation in June and they forgot to update the July forecast, so have requested that July forecast is reopened so they can update and save it. To do that, select create a new exception, select the property, then choose the month. Update the lock date, add a note, and select save in the pop-up. Check that everything looks correct on the page, then select save. So to summarize, use period lock to ensure control of data in PMI. If needed, create an exception for a specific property if adjustments are needed to a locked period. Thanks for watching.